Hello everyone, welcome to the Process Education. So today, let's start a chapter motion. So you all must be wondering that when you travel in a car, bus, train or any other means of transport, when you see outside of the window, you see the things around you like trees, poles, etc. seems to be moving in opposite direction. But the fact is that we are in motion and trees, poles, etc. are in a state of rest. So let us first define what is motion and what is state of rest. So a body is said to be in motion if its position changes with respect to a fixed point in a given time interval. That is, let us assume O to be the fixed point and A to be in variable motion. Let at t is equal to 0 seconds, A is at a distance of 1 meter from O. And when we observe the same situation at t is equal to 1 second, A is at a distance of 2 meters from O. So we say that A is in motion. So a body is said to be in a state of rest if its position does not change with respect to a fixed point in a given time interval. So let us take the similar example. Let O be the fixed point and A be the observation. So let at t is equal to 0 seconds, A be at a distance 1 meter from O, and when we observe A at t is equal to 1 second, it is again at a distance 1 meter from O. So we say that A is under the state of rest. So imagine a boy is standing outside of his home at t is equal to 0 seconds. Now at t is equal to 1 second, the boy is at a distance of 1 meter from his house. So in the interval 0 to 1 second, the boy has moved 1 meter with respect to his house during the time interval 0 to 1. So we say that the boy is in state of motion during the time interval 0 to 1 second. Now let the boy meet one of his acquaintance at t is equal to 1 second and started talking to him by standing at the same place. So when we observe the boy at t is equal to 2 seconds, it is again at a distance of 1 meter with respect to his house. So we say that during the time interval 1 second to 2 seconds, the boy hasn't moved any distance with respect to his house. So we say that during the motion time 1 to 2 seconds, the boy is in state of rest. So during this interval it is in motion and during this it is in rest. So now let us learn how to describe the position of an object. So there are two parameters to describe the position of an object, that is distance and direction, where distance means the distance between fixed point and variable point, while the direction is the direction of variable point with respect to the fixed point. So let O be the fixed point and A be the variable one. So A, that is the variable point, is at a distance of 1 meter from a fixed point, that is O, and the direction of A with respect to O is this one. Hence, the distance of the variable point A with respect to O is 1 meter. So the direction of variable point with respect to the fixed point is east. So in physics there are two axes, that is one Cartesian axis that is x-axis and y-axis, and the second reference axis is geographical axis, that is north, east, west and south. So in physics we use these two axes to define the position of an object. If you have any doubt in any topic being taught in the video, you can comment it. If you like the video, subscribe it, share it and like it to support us. Thank you.